How to connect hotspot using QR code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to connect hotspot using QR code. In order to connect to a mobile hotspot using a QR code, all you have to do is make sure that the application is up to date. Now, first thing, you have to go ahead and open up your settings application, or you can simply swipe down from the top and then go to hotspot and sharing. Then you need to go to hotspot and sharing, long press on it, and then here you need to go ahead and tap on the option that says hotspot enable or whatsoever and click on the turn on button. As you do that, you'll be able to see this QR code icon located right under it. Just go ahead and tap on it and verify it by entering your device's pin. That's how you can go ahead and use the QR code in order to get connected to hotspot. So that's how it works. And likewise, if you wish to see the password, then you can see this option as hotspot password. This is basically how you can see. So that's how you can get connected to hotspot using QR code. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.